Hi everyone, welcome to my third daily edition, and in this daily edition I'll be presenting everything of what I've learned. There are two parts to this video. First is going to be the general, and second is going to be what my business has been able to cover and learn and been applied to. So let's start with the general. So the main topic is basically what we've learned about data handling in the past 6 weeks. So, let's start. In general, there are three main things that I've learned the past 6 weeks. That is, firstly, gathering, using, and creating. So, let me explain a bit further. Gathering here talks about like the concepts that we've learned that help us gather information. So, this information can usually be used to create more surveys and further specify certain researches in order to make that data useful. Now, that is where using data comes in, which is after analyzing the data, we give it a little bit of a spin and then we conclude it into different segments for each segment to have a different use. For example, we have 100 customers, and these customers all give us feedback about a certain thing. Let's say they give feedback about product A and product B. Now, from these products, we can make a conclusion on which product is more popular and why it's more popular. Because of this, let's say product A is more popular, we sell B maybe at a lower price or maybe high, like make the quality higher so that both aspects, like both products, have the same quality. After that, we take the information, which is using the information, and take the good things from product A to use on product B. So let's say product A is better because it has more quality in the packaging, for example. So we increase the packaging on B, and because of this, the sales on B increases. And the next step is creating. So after we do that, we take a survey, which is basically creating data. Yes, something like that, creating a survey so that we can gather more information from customers about these two products and possibly expand these products further. Now, as you can see, there's a clear cycle to this. And we first start by gathering information, then we analyze and use it, and lastly, we create more data, basically just expand what we already know. Now, for my theoretical business, I've done a few things. That is only two parts. That is how to gather information and how to use information. Now, for gathering information, I've done two main things. That is how to create surveys and the logic on questionnaires, or basically the logic on getting information from customers, people, and generally like from outside or external sources. Now, we can see that my business has progressed a bit, I believe, and the thing that we've been able to use as relations to the lesson is that my business has been able to understand more, like it's basically I understand more about what makes a good survey and how to gather materials, resources, and opinions efficiently in the creative industry. So, in conclusion, what I've learned about data handling in the past 6 weeks has been rotating around 3 steps, that is gathering, using, and creating. And my business has been able to apply a teeny tiny bit on how to gather information and how to use information. So that's all for this D3. Thanks for listening.